In a rain-soaked orbital market, a discarded prototype named Mirage Engine hums back to life, projecting untold futures. A stubborn archivist and a rogue coder pilot its glowlit interface, chasing echoes of a century-old catastrophe. Each trailer the device spews reveals alternate histories, where humanity either thrives in silence or vanishes beneath neon silence. When a rival corporation weaponizes the Mirage for propaganda, the trio must decide which future to save. As the engine blooms into a dangerous maelstrom, they learn the true power lies not in futures but choices.